So we came here to this Swampen, so it's a water tower, and there's an elevator that you can take upstairs for free, and you can see the views of the city.
Swedish houses there. Looks like a postcard to me.
Yeah.
This city is actually quite big. I imagine it would be so much smaller.
So here we are at the Örebrö. There's this nature road going along this shore, and there's lots of birds in here. Pretty beautiful place.
Here we have this little red cabinet, and you can find books here, and I think it's the place you can put your book that you have read here and pick a new one and read that too. So the book keep crossing and you can always read a new book.
Yeah. I think it's called book crossing.
Actually, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Good idea.
really great. So many ducks.
What ducks say?
Quack, quack. And the ducks say also.
Our ducks. Hola. Sweden has been great concerning these fire pits, because they are everywhere and there's always firewood ready, so you can just find a fire pit and make yourself a food there. There's a strange thing. What the hell is this? So there's a... What is this used? As you can see... Hey, Bulla. Bulla is amazed that that white piece of rock is moving. Hey! They are Chihuahuas, so their courage is unlimited. Even if the enemy is 10,000 times bigger, I will fight. I will fight. So he's scratching himself on that pole. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, that feels so good. Funny animals. Bye bye, girls. Bye bye. Dino! Dino! Let's go. If you call Dino, it has to be Dino. Dino. I love the river houses. There are a couple of them in Finland, but the grow in Finland is so bad for those houses that it costs more than living in a normal house. But I would love the idea of living one of those. For example, that one. There's one ready and one they are building at the moment.
So we left here, we left our car here, and then there's another van. So I don't know what our car has been doing. Is this her boyfriend or something?
Seems like it. They're so matchy. So we just woke up and think that we go bicycling in the morning, and after that eat breakfast and then hunt for fresh water because we are almost out of it. bicycling just, and now we are making food. We have, for breakfast we have coffee, of course, big mugs, has to be oatmeal and some eggs. But basically this is our normal morning. I sit here and Sarah makes food. No, not really.
Usually it's the other way around.
Yeah.
I'm sleeping there with the dog.
And now I'm making food. But it's basically, this is so small that
What
one
can you do?
yeah. One makes food and other waits and enjoys.
Or sleep and wakes till the
Nee.
smell of the coffee.
Yeah, the making dishes is the worst thing in van life. The second worst thing is this. So every morning that you wake up, there's lots of moist if you haven't turned your heating on. Last night wasn't cold, so we didn't put it on.
And the results are here.
Yeah.
So bon appetito.
Bon appetito.
Santa Maria's seasonings. Not Meira's.
So here's breakfast and here's the dogs. They usually chill 18 hours a day.
They are old dogs, so they love a lot.
All dogs and women like to chill. Yeah.